I believe this is your website. The reason that I'm recording this video for you is that I am being trained in website design, and I want to show you a website that you might like. Okay, this is the website. My boss figures that an agency could get like $1,200 to $1,500 or more for a website like this. Yeah. And of course, I would add your photos in his gallery link on this link, and your contact details on this link together with the map on the side, and of course the services that you're offering on this link there, and about the company as well on this link. Yeah. Now, if this website would be good for you, please do me a favor and hit a reply and let me know. If not, no big deal. I forgot to mention my name is Julie, and I'm working at Agent Boomer Marketing in Red Deer. Talk to you soon.